Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We're doing one of my favorite salads, and that's that Southern carrot salad. Man, this salad brings back memories. I'm talking about childhood memories up in Morrison's in Piccadilly, eating that old carrot salad with them raisins sprinkled in there and that bite of sweetness in it. Oh man, y'all ready? I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's go. All right guys, let's go ahead and get started. Now this is a quick recipe, very easy. We're gonna run through it, not many ingredients. But man, I really love this salad. All right, we're gonna start back here with our carrots, and these are homegrown carrots. We got them straight out the backyard of one of the neighbors. Right here we have some raisins, mayo, whipping cream, pineapple juice, and sugar. Now guys, if you wanna add pineapple chunks to yours, you could do that, but I don't like mine with pineapple chunks. I just like it with raisins, man. Let's go ahead and get to it. All right, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna wash and peel your carrot. So I've already did mine, I washed it, I peeled it, and all the thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grate it. Now I don't grate mine real thick on this side. I like mine to be really thin. So I'm gonna do it on the smaller side. And all you're gonna do is just, you guys know how to grate. And guys, that's what we have right there. And typically what I do after I grate it, I just squeeze the water out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the water out of here. I'm gonna finish with our other carrots, and then we're gonna come back and continue with the recipe. All right, so now I've shredded all our carrots. This is what we have. It's about 4 cups of shredded carrots. Now, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna remove our carrots, bring over a empty dish. So typically the way I do mine is I add all the remaining of the ingredients with the exception of the carrots first to a bowl. So I'm gonna add our raisins. And guys, you can use any amount of raisins you want. I'm using about a cup of raisins. And I may put more, and it depends on how it looks after I add my carrots. We're gonna add our sugar here, our heavy whipping cream, pineapple juice. Now guys, again, if you have pineapples, you can add those pineapples right here, right now. And I'm gonna start off with 1/3 of a cup of mayo. And this also varies from person to person. Some people like theirs really creamy. Some of them like it a little bit on the dry side, not really creamy. I like mine, again, I'm always in the middle. So I'm gonna start here with 1/3 right now, and I'm gonna get this mixed up. I'm gonna add a little bit more mayo in mine, because it looks like I have a lot of carrots. All right, so now we're gonna add our carrots. And now we're just gonna get that mixed around in here and tossed around real good. Yeah, adding that extra mayo is good for me. I need more than 1/3. And that looks like it got enough raisins in it to me too, because I like to have a raisin in every bite. All right guys, so it looks like we got that baby mixed up how we want it. So take a look at that. All right, since this dish is best served cold, we're gonna take some saran wrap, and we're gonna wrap this baby up. We're gonna stick it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. Then we're gonna come back, quality control, final presentation, all right? All right, so we're about 2 hours in, guys. Let's go ahead and remove our saran wrap. And we're just gonna give this another mix again. Kind of get it all mixed together, just in case some liquid that was at the bottom of the bowl. All right, man, that's what we have. Let's go ahead and get this plated up and over to quality control. And guys, there you have it. And there you have it, guys. Southern carrot salad. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. It's time to test it out. Yeah, y'all already know it's quality control time. Check out that. Man, this is my favorite Southern salad right here. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Man, I hadn't made this in a while. Oh man, listen, if you're from the South, you already know Piccadilly, you used to have this carrot salad. And if you got to ask what Piccadilly is, you ain't from that dirty. Oh man, I used to always get this right here. Man, what else had? Piccadilly, Morrison's, all that. Had that carrot salad right there. So guys, you definitely need to try this. This is a staple in the South. And until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.